What's up, YouTube? This is the Jinko and Great Blondini channel. And I'm here with special guest, Christina.
Hi.
Hi. So, we went to the mountains. And we were kind of snacky, a little hungry. And we were thinking, well, when you think of snacks, what comes to your mind? What do you think when you think of a snack?
I think of
Crickets?
No.
Worms?
No.
Yeah, and maybe this could inspire you for, that big day game playoff, like Super Bowl or NASCAR race. You got the Daytona 500, you're sitting there with your friends, you pop a beer, you're like, dude, I'm hungry. It's like,
Want some crickets?
you want some crickets? Like, nah. It's like, got you covered, bro.
Got me some larvas.
There you go, you got some larvas. So today, for you, that's right, for you, we are going to do this so you don't have to. Or you may like it. It may be delicious. May never want another potato chip in your life once you've had all these crickets. Now, first of all, please subscribe and like this. It would help. Please, please, please. I'm lowering my standards. But please subscribe and like and share and comment on what your favorite snack is. If it's not crickets or worms, it's okay. All right, so here's what we got. With the crickets, salt and vinegar. Yum. I like salt and vinegar potato chips.
Yeah, me too.
Mm.
What we got? Which one is this one?
That
It's cheddar.
bacon and cheddar. Now this has got to be good.
Mm.
Or bacon and
Hopefully.
cheese. Yeah, it's got bacon and cheese. So it's got to be good because it's got bacon in it. And then we have sour cream and onion.
I like sour cream and onion chips.
All right, so out of these, which do you think is going to be the best?
Probably the bacon and cheddar.
Okay. So I'm thinking the sour cream. I'm thinking the bacon and I think it's going to have a stronger flavor mask.
Mm.
I've never had crickets ever.
Me neither.
I've never done chocolate covered. My mother's had chocolate covered ants, but I don't like icky stuff. And this is a big step for me because I don't do icky, and these aren't icky. Okay, so I'm thinking the bacon and cheese is going to have more flavor.
Mm-hmm.
The larvae, I've been calling them worms. It's an original worm snack.
Yeah.
So this one is the delicious cheddar cheese worms. Mm. And this one here, this is the Mexican spice. Arriba! So we'll turn it around here so you can see the nutritional facts because I cannot.
I'm pretty sure it's full of protein. So I guess if you're looking for protein, just put down that shake and grab a cricket and a larvae.
Look right here at near the bottom, or halfway there. That's the ingredients. That's a lot of ingredients.
What ingredients for
Look right
bugs?
There, that
Cheese.
black part right there. I know you can't see it, but
Yeah.
that's all the ingredients. Anyway, so that was that one. Here's the worms, the cheddar cheese, so you can see that. Salt and vinegar, crickets. And the bacon and cheese. And the sour cream and onion.
All right.
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
How many flies does it take to screw in a light bulb?
How many?
2, but don't ask me how they got in there. Okay. Is it not gonna be good?
No.
So, do you want to do rock, paper, scissors, and then the loser We're gonna try them first, and then the loser has to eat everything.
Like grab
And
one
finish
of
'em.
each. Finish them. I don't know. That seems like a lot in here.
Yeah, let's just. I'm afraid to try them. I really am. All right. So let's. What do you want to start with?
Let's try what I think would probably not be the greatest is the salt and vinegar.
I could go get a napkin. You cut now.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, look at those beauties in there. Mm.
Okay, I'm back. I know that's rude, but you do what you gotta do. Okay. Let's cut it open. I wished I was.
It might be great. You don't know.
You know, the last time I touched a cricket was
When?
when I was a kid going fishing.
Hmm.
I don't touch crickets.
Get a very strong.
Whew, very strong smell. I'm gonna show it to y'all.
Oh yeah.
There's Bailey. And there's Jinko.
I think I just felt its leg, I think. I don't know.
Alright, so here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a cricket. You've seen crickets before. It does. There goes the light.
There goes the light.
Alright. Alright, here we go. This is real life now, so animals are going to be animals.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. What do they call it? Ding or
I don't know.
cheers?
Cheers, yeah. I'm scared to try it. I don't wanna.
Does Jinko want to try it?
Jinko?
No, he'll try it.
You wanna be first taste tester?
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
No. No.
Oh,
Uh-uh. That's nasty. Minus it being a bug, it kind of has like I can't explain the taste. Ugh.
Is it delicious?
Not good. No.
Nowhere near good. Here.
Kind of tastes like
There's,
cardboard, oddly, or I'm
Yeah.
chewing on a leaf. Not really.
yes. That's not,
Gotta clean the palate, anyways.
okay.
Ugh.
Mm.
Well, there was the
Salt and vinegar.
salt and vinegar,
Okay,
and now we only got like
so rank it 1 to 5. 5 being the best you've ever put in your pie hole, and 1 being I just ate my own poop.
I think it's well, it's not. I ate my own poop, so. But I think I'll give it a 1.5 for that.
Yeah, I'll say 2. I mean, it was not good. It wasn't disgusting.
It wasn't so bad that I had to spit it out, but it was not something I want to eat again.
If it was the choice between this or eating liver, I would choose this.
Yeah. What? I choose liver.
I don't like liver. Okay. Sour cream and onion?
Yep. Really baking on the bacon and cheddar. Hopefully that's good.
Oh. All right, here we go. Holy mother of God.
What? This one smells like doesn't have a strong smell, but it kind of has like
This one,
feels a little harder.
look at this one. Look right here. Look how huge that one is. Oh, it's right here.
Good Lord, that is humongous.
That is huge.
Mm.
All right.
It's like almost like a moldy smell. Like,
What's this, the sour
or
cream and onion?
musty. Sour cream and
That was me.
onion.
Yeah, a little. You got a hint of something.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This one's big. I should have got the little one. You want to swap?
I think I'm good. I think I'll.
I think this one's pregnant or got a poop.
Okay. Ate too much Taco Bell.
1, 2, 3, cheers.
Gotta mentally prepare myself.
Got a little water crunch.
That has absolutely no flavor. Mm-mm. It's just bitter.
Not good.
No flavor.
No flavor at all. Hardly any smell.
Mm-mm, no.
Hey, Christina.
Mm.
I got worms.
Actually, I think you just grabbed crickets, so you think you just...
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Christina. I got worms.
Alright. Yes, to get this over with, let's do the bacon one. So far, not doing good. I will rate this one
Yeah, right. This one.
a 1.
Yeah, this one's.
I
It's
wouldn't
not
eat this
disgusting, but it's just not good, and it's
one. Not good.
it's like I don't know. I mean, you could sit there and eat wooden matches and get the same thing, or just go
I feel
outside
like
and get
it.
like a go out in the fall, and you know when the leaves are really really dry.
Yeah, just
That's what it
munch.
is.
Yeah, just munch on leaves. Like, not good. Like, just munch on a dead leaf. So,
And sometimes
still
it's
not
good.
as bad as eating your own crap.
But the other one had some hint of flavor. I mean, just a
Yeah,
fair-
this one was, I don't know, that did not taste like any sour cream and onion.
Yeah, they should just not put anything on there. Just say, hey, you know what? These are just crickets.
Yeah, that's just,
They're lying to us.
I don't know.
It's the man.
Sure it says sour cream and onion on it?
Huh?
You sure it says sour cream and onion?
Yep.
I'm liars. Yeah. Liars. So far we're doing pretty good. Nobody's had to spit anything out. Even though
I want to.
yeah, like I want to. The problem is that it's very flaky, so when it
When
starts to
delicate.
flake in your mouth, and then you have to wash it down with something.
Yeah, I'm thinking I got like legs.
Yeah. Okay.
Bacon?
This one has a little bit more of a smell.
And it's a little bit bigger. I tried to give you the bigger one.
Yeah.
Mine smells like butt.
It
It does
kind of smells like dog food. My opinion.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, cheers. Ding.
Ding. tolerable.
Still,
No flavor though. It's like it's got a hint of a flavor, but no cheese or bacon.
they're all the second one we tried the sour cream and onion. It was just
No.
it was no flavor, but it was just not as good as they're not good.
Yeah, no.
This is a 1.5.
Yeah, this is also 1.5. It's got a hint of flavor, way better than the sour cream and onion.
And these were only what, $2-3. So
Yeah.
so it's your next dinner party.
Yeah.
You can impress your guests. You don't have to bring out the caviar and the shrimp. You just bring out the crickets.
Or if you ever want to spice up your green bean casserole.
Yes, the heck with those little French fried onions.
That tastes really great. Just put
Crickets.
crickets on them.
Da-da-da-da, cheddar cheese.
I'm not prepared for this one.
Cheddar cheese larvae.
Worms.
This
oh
is
my god.
gonna be this. I think it's gonna be worse.
I think so. Texturally, I'm thinking it's gonna be bad. I hope it's as flaky as this and not like mushy or anything in the middle.
All right, so we're gonna get 2 worms.
What?
Yeah, we'll just do 2 worms.
Why double the punch?
It's for the people
Mm.
out there in YouTube land. Oh, probably should do 2 more.
Probably not. Let's not do 2 more. Oh wow, these are itty bitty. Maybe this wouldn't be that bad. Oh my god. Have you felt them?
No.
Such a weird feeling.
Here, sniff this.
I mean, in the bag, it doesn't smell bad.
Yeah, but you can smell the cheese.
This is so tiny. Like, they feel so weird. Ooh, it broke apart.
Excuse me. Okay, so this, I'm trying to figure out how I can show the people.
That's kind of difficult.
Hey, what do you think they should do out there?
This thing had legs. I think.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little worm.
Mine's a little bit longer, but I don't. Yeah, it's very skinny and.
Yep, this one's got legs too.
Oh my god.
Okay, hey, we're doing this for you. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing, and comment. Again, comment what is your favorite snack of all time. If it's not larvae or crickets, that's okay.
That's perfectly fine. You're perfectly normal.
Well, I don't know. Okay, I mean, these may be the bomb.
I don't know.
.com. All right, I'm going to do 2 of them at the same time.
Me too.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Packing peanuts.
Yeah. Okay, so cool. What it tastes like.
No taste.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oddly, I think the macros one has got like a hint of a nutty taste to it.
These were, well, they're smaller, so
Yeah.
I think that they probably taste similar to the crickets, but not as woodsy. Not like the other ones taste pretty much like a leaf, you know.
Yeah.
I'm praying
Gonna wash my bag.
for the Mexican spice. I mean, they're saying Mexican spice. That means
Like taco flavor, yeah.
yeah.
Bold flavor.
So where would you rate it at? Between 1 and 5. 5 being most delicious thing you've ever put in your pie hole, and 1 being, I think I ate my own poo.
I gotta do 1.5 again.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I put it at 2 because I think they're better than the crickets.
Yeah, 1.5, something like that. I mean, well, it's less, so therefore they got to be better than the crickets.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, John.
Let's see.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my one there. What's that sign for me? Now this one smells pretty good.
All right. Can you sit? I hope so. All right. Can you smell? You smell the bag. No strong smell.
No, oddly it smells like dog food again.
Yeah. Oh well. Cheers.
Cheers. No flavor again.
Packing peanuts.
Yeah.
1.5.
Yeah.
Ugh. So, in conclusion,
They taste like nothing, and they're not great.
and they don't really smell like anything.
No.
But if you want to impress your friends, don't buy these.
You got to buy these.
They're not good. If during an apocalypse, maybe
Yeah.
if the zombies are coming at you and this is all you had to eat, if you didn't want to eat your
Or if
kid,
you have a friend that really likes bugs, or you're trying to do a gag gift, maybe.
yeah, but they're not good.
No.
It's stick with your potato chips.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you're weird. All right, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment what is your favorite snack.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the Great Blind Indian. This is Christina. And there's Jinko down there. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.